Kaya tayo nasusunog na burn out because we are working hard on our business, our careers, but we are not working hard on ourselves. Sabi nga ni Jim Rohn, work hard on your job, but work harder on yourself. You are your biggest project. You are your best asset. Ikaw ang gumagawa ng pera, ikaw ang nagpapatakbo ng negosyo. So dapat mahalin mo yung sarili mo. At dapat ang binibuild mo, yung sarili mo para ma-build mo yung negosyo. Because when you build your identity, everything else will follow. I always tell people, when you master yourself, you master everything. Like I know a lot of people who are not smart. Minsan nga ang yabang pa ng dating nila eh. Parang ang arrogante ng dating nila, pero ang laging lumalabas sa bibig nila, magaling ako sa pera, magaling ako magbenta, magaling ako magnegosyo. And most of the time, we know that these people are not even that smart. But because of their identity, because of their self-image na naniniwala sila sa sarili nila, boom! Automatic yung actions, automatic yung behaviors. And they are creating results. Tas yung mga kagaya mong matatalino, yung mga kagaya mong sobrang critical mag-isip, hindi mo nakukuha yung gusto mo at nababurnout ka pa. It's because baka mababa ang tingin mo sa sarili mo. So you have to build your identity.